Hey there, my name is Tyler Hopman here at the Courier Cafe. Today I'm going to show you a really quick and easy way to make what's known as red-eye gravy or coffee gravy. There's a couple things that you're going to need for this. Probably the best base or start for this gravy is the natural juice that comes off of ham whenever you're baking a ham. Or if you're not cooking a ham, you can always use chicken stock or beef stock or really any of those great flavored liquids. In order to start this, you're going to want to take that juice and you're going to want to cook it down on the stove. Add about half a cup of coffee, preferably fresh brewed, kind of strong. And you're going to want to add a little bit of spice or a little bit of a kind of an edge to it. Once you let that cook and let the flavors meld for a little while, you're going to want to thicken this up to get that nice, heavy, hearty coffee gravy texture. And the way to do this is just whisk in a little bit of flour. You really don't need too much, probably about a quarter of a cup, maybe a third of a cup, depending on how much gravy you've made or how much ham juice that you have to start with. Once you add the flour, you're going to want to cook it a little bit longer till the flour cooks and thickens the gravy. Once you're done with that, maybe add a little bit of salt to taste, and you've got yourself a great coffee gravy. Thanks for watching.